Hi, this is Samir. I work with HDFC Bank as an assistant vice president. I look predominantly into information security and cyber security, data center security, cyber threat defense. I look into these aspects as well. The session with you, Amar, was very interesting. It was an eye opener. In fact, the perspectives that you put forth were really amazing, actually. In fact, what I would say is my perception or my understanding of incident response was entirely different, and the perspectives which you put forth were very enriching, very deep. And I what I found out was the human element which was considered was really amazing, actually, because based on experience and based on your knowledge, I'm really impressed, and thank you for sharing your knowledge and understanding, and I'm deeply grateful to you for this.